Now that we've got your attention, the best recipe in the world is actually a vegan lifestyle, or a more vegan lifestyle. And we have the recipe in this, which is our brand new book, BOSH, How to Live Vegan.
This book is out tomorrow, and we would be greatly appreciative if you pre-order it right now, because it's got all the questions that you have about veganism answered.
We've got tips and tricks about how to get your nutrition right, things that you might not have known were vegan. There's loads of little cooking recipes in here too, and a load of climate change facts, animal related facts, all of that good stuff to help answer the questions of anyone who's probing you on why you went vegan.
Together we can get this book right the way up the charts, and that can only be a good thing for the animals, for the planet, and for you.
And of course, as a reminder, it's also got loads of good stuff in here, what to eat and how to cook it, where to find clothes and toiletries, how to travel, socialise and thrive. So great for you, great for a mate. We'd love you to grab a copy. Bish,
Bash,
BOSH!